doing something. Do you think, what is it you are doing?
Yes, young man, there's certainly something
fishing.
being
Can you
done.
keep it down a bit because you frightened them away?
Sig, there's no fish in the bath.
Hmm?
There's no fish in the bath. There's not even...
Hang on, stand back, stand back! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! It's a big one! It's a big one! Get the net! Get the net! Rob, get the net!
Oh. It's rather pathetic and sad, isn't it?
It's cardboard cut-out fish.
And it's only
On one side.
Oh, I didn't say what type of fish, did I?
What a dodgy fish that
Do you know what I'm using for bait? Sellotape and paper clips. Brilliant. Put it back in, you know, he's only a small one.
Christopher, this
We'll give him
begs
a
the
chance.
question. What possibly could Zig be up to later on?
Oh, no.
Because he doesn't do things just for the sake of doing them. There's always some terrible, hideous thing
Chris!
that's going to happen.
Preamble to his fishing video.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no.
No.
Can you move? Because you're casting a shadow on the water and that scares them off.
Casting a shadow. Very funny. These are very nice eggs on your head. Can I have one?
Yeah.
What they like?
They're edible.
Are they?
The jelly, yeah. Is that one? They're very nice, aren't they? Okay. Coming up in the second part of the crunch. Oh, sorry. Coming up in the second part of the crunch. Hobie from Baywatch is going to be joining us.
Yay!
That's all. But now we have a question about the clip and...
Oh, Chris, about the clip. That is, what is on the roundabout?
But remember...
Oh! Chris,
Here's another one.
Just for fun.
just for fun.
Oh, wow.
Think it's the
Oh, the big
same
one.
one.
Woo!
Hello, how are you? They all said. We're glad you've come, they all said, because we've got a surprise, they all said. Oh, I love surprises more than anything. What is it? Look on the roundabout, said Mr. Rusty.
Cadbury's Twirl. 2 folded fingers coated in delicious Cadbury's chocolate. Take 5 for a Cadbury's Twirl.
Get up, get up, get up!
To Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, put them in the toaster.
Pop-Tarts,
Revolution at your breakfast.
Kellogg's Pop-Tarts.
Oh, great flavors and they're waiting for you. Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, so hot they're cool.
What is it that makes Saurine Britain's best-loved fruity malt loaf? Could it simply be because it's so...
Look on the roundabout, said Mr. Rusty, and you'll see. So Florence looked on the roundabout. She looked again. She got a bit closer, and she saw a cat.
So, what did Florence see on the roundabout? And as you saw there was the blue cat. And the Dougal and the Blue Cat video, which is a cracker in my book, is on sale now. Who wants it? Who wants it?
I do.
Yeah. Okay, good. Just an empty case. Today's question that we're asking you on the phones all day on 08198511111. After Y is in fact who? Dave Knight from Bournemouth says, who cares? Craig Donald from Somerset, who does he think he blooming well is? Okay. Nancy Carpenter from Luton, who washing line is it anyway? And moving neatly and swiftly on, I think we'll do that game, shall we? I've got my builder's bum phone here. Now, what this gnome needs is, in fact, a builder's bum protector available from today, Marks and Spencer's, $7.99. And who's on line 1 for the camera with the exclusive filming?
It's Bob from Leeds.
Bob. How are you, Bob?
I'm very well, thanks, Chris.
Good. Okay, then. It's a lovely day here. Is it a lovely day in Leeds?
The sun's out.
Okay, it's very cold tonight because no cloud last night, but it will be a beautiful day, I promise you. Here's clue number 1 from Jill, from the family of the week, for the Greens from Birmingham, and it's some Brill cream. So who do you think it is?
I'm sorry, I haven't got a clue.
Okay, then. Well, obviously you're not going to win anything for that, so we go to line 2. Hello.
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 Who's that then?
Teresa from Nuneaton.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. The Brill Cream's on the line. What's clue number 2 from Paul from the Dad of the Family of the Week? It's Brian the Snail. Magic roundabout theme this morning.
It's probably Mark.
It's probably Mark.
Yeah.
Mark Lamar.
Yeah.
No, where's the Brian come into it? I don't know. Okay, then no, you're wrong. Hello, line 3.
Hello,
Who's that?
Ernie from Shanklin on the Isle of Wight.
How are you, Ernie?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, Sue, what have you got for us? Oh, it's a red herring. So we still got Brian the Snail and the Brill Cream. And the answer is... What? Hello?
Robert McDougall.
Robert McDougall. Good guess, but wrong. Hello, line 4.
Hiya.
Hiya. Hiya. Who's that then?
Sharon from Oswald Street.
All right, Sharon.
Hiya.
Good. All right, then, we got clue number 4 from James from the Family of the Week. It's Jerry Hall. Jerry Hall, Brill Cream, Brian the Snail. It's easy now. Obviously not, though. You got 3 seconds.
Anybody called Brian Hall or something?
Nearly, Brian, nearly.
Jerry,
No, goodbye. Line 5, hello.
Hiya.
Who's that?
Alan.
Hiya.
From Newcastle.
All right, Alan.
Hi.
Okay, Sarah then. What have we got here from Sarah? Oh, it's a ferry. It's a ferry.
Ferry. Brian Ferry?
It is Brian Ferry, the Brill Cream who has it. He says,
great.
used to go out with Jerry Hall. Of course, he was devastated when Mick Jagger won her heart instead. You in the camera and the secret film. Goodbye.
That sounds. Cheers, Chris. Bye.
All right then, ta-da. Got to go back upstairs now with a little brat of a lad, and his name is Jeremy Jackson, and he's in Baywatch, unfortunately.
We're on the air! Yeah! We've got Jeremy Jackson from Baywatch.
Wow, Mommy from Baywatch.
Jeremy, hi. Thanks for coming along. And I like the trousers.
Oh, thanks a lot, man.
Hey, do you know Macaulay Culkin?
No.
No, because I'm a bit like him. Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Don't I look like him?
Yeah.
Couldn't I be on Baywatch?
Exactly.
Probably?
Oh, yeah. Pretty buff there, man.
Yeah. But, Chris, I'm buff. Oh, no.
Oh, man, come on.
Hello, Jeremy. How are you?
Hi.
Or shall I call you Hobie?
Jeremy.
Okay, Jeremy. Welcome to the bad.
Jeremy, man, give me 5.
Hey, man.
Ow! Yeah, he said I'm buff. Chris.
What?
Jeremy said, I am buff.
Buff.
Yeah.
What's that then, Jeremy?
Buff, strong, like me.
Okay. Wow, he's buff.
Do you think I've got the board for Baywatch?
Oh, yeah.
Like I'd look good in the swimsuit, wouldn't I, girl?
You could play David Hasselhoff's stunt double, I think.
Well, I like him already.
So, should we find out a bit more about Jeremy then? Okay, we've researched you heavily. Okay, we've had people.
Yeah.
Zig, come back here.
Zig!
Okay, we've been following you for months now, and we've got some very investigative questions about you. And here they come. So, do you want to ask the first one,
I certainly will.
Okay.
We have heard wherever you go, you like to sing. Could you sing for us now?
Yeah.
Go on, yeah.
Come on.
We're buddies now.
TV exclusive in Britain.
Okay.
I'll sing the all-time famous song, Jailhouse Rock. That's
Jailhouse
my best
Rock?
Yeah.
Cool.
When you're ready.
Okay.
Do you want to stand up?
Yeah.
I guess.
Woo!
Go. Should I sing the whole thing?
No.
I'll just sing a little
Just
bit.
one word, maybe.
Okay.
Warden, there.
Oh, come on. One.
One threw bodies in the county jail. Prison man was there and they began to wail. Bell was jumping and the joint began to swing. Shoes knocked out jail, sing, let's rock.
Yeah.
Hey, TV exclusive. Jeremy Jackson. How are you doing? Singing in the bathroom.
Live in the bathroom.
Okay.
Great acoustics in here, man.
Another question?
Oh, yeah. Okay, question. Oh, boo, 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 boo. Here's a good one. Why are there no ugly people in Baywatch?
Aha!
Ugly people.
Why not?
Well, do you guys want to see ugly people or beautiful babes?
Beautiful babes or ugly
beautiful
people?
babes, no.
Buff guys and beautiful babes.
Yeah.
Okay. But is that the
I'm
answer
a
then?
buff guy, Chris.
Because the TV public don't want to see ugly people. Is that why you're...
Well, I mean, there's nothing wrong with ugly people.
No.
We're certainly not
We're not getting
condoning the fact
contentious or controversial here. Okay, then fine, you answered it. Final question on the card. You starred in a TV commercial when you were 7. Right or wrong?
Right. I started show business when I was about 7, and I did about 20 commercials.
Yes or no will do.
Okay.
Did you or did you not star in a TV commercial when you were 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you reenact the first TV commercial you were in now, please?
Yes, I can.
Okay, go on.
Okay, I'm sitting at a little table with my best friend.
Best friend, all
We
my
have
best friends.
little Mattel cars.
Right.
And we're zooming them back and forth. Ah, cool, man, awesome cars, cool.
Awesome, cool.
And that's it. That was good, isn't it?
Yeah, that was it. That was good.
That was good. See, cool, awesome.
Yeah.
Did you say what you wanted, or did you have to say a certain number of cools and a certain number of
a certain
awesome?
amount of cool, a certain amount
So
of
like 5 cool, please, Jeremy, not 7.
Okay, was that right? Yeah, that was right. Okay.
Yeah.
Was it a beautiful baby you were with, or was it a buff guy?
It was a buff guy.
A buff guy.
Fist with a buff buddy.
Well, look, that's about it, really.
I'm a buff buddy.
Zach, I can't think of anything else
Hey,
to ask
Chris,
him. Can
buff
you?
and cool and way out and happening, dude.
Zach,
What?
can you think of anything to ask him?
I've got something quite interesting.
Well, actually, I don't know we've got time now.
Well, no, we do. We've got. Hang on. Yeah, we've got loads of time. Yeah, no, we do actually. We've got loads of time. I've got something very interesting that I'd like to talk about.
Can we
possibly review my fishing videos? Because I've got a very famous fishing thing was going to come to know. So I thought we might have a look at those this morning. And can we roll the first one? Maybe we'll have a chat about this one. Oh yeah, this is the Willow Park Fishery in Aldershot was picked as the ideal venue for a weekend's junior fishing. Naturally, a lot of emphasis is put on the correct, safe handling of carp with proper weighting, slings, and unhooking mats, plus advice on holding carp for the camera. In fact, the spot is packed with advice from start to finish. It's one of my faves, and I don't mind saying it.
What do you think of that one, Jeremy?
Not as great, but it was okay.
I know. Okay, well,
Should we encourage him to do this, you know?
what about the mystical mullet? Permission to do this. The mystical mullet, video number 3. This great video. Now, this really dispels the myth that the grey mullet is uncatchable. It proves that this superb hard-fighting fish is a worthy catch. Three completely different situations are shown. The first, fishing from the harbour wall using mackerel and bread bait, was my favourite. The second, spinning from a small boat using homemade bark hooks and baited worm. And finally, and this is the catch on the coast, a fascinating look at the seaweed fly and its maggots, which reach the way into the surface, whereupon they are taken by the mullet.
Wow. That's when I said have an opinion, boy. Zig all the time. I didn't mean about fish.
Do you think that this
that's
video
boring.
dispels the great myth that the great mullet is hard to catch?
Oh, yeah.
Right. Okay. So that's good. Do you go fishing in Baywatch?
Train spotting videos next week, video fans.
What, in
No.
breaking?
Yeah.
Yeah. They go filming. They go fishing in the filming.
Cool.
Well,
You know what Baywatch they can't actually swim.
Yeah, I won a fishing contest and now we won.
No.
I'm sure you did, Jeremy.
Almost broke the record. For the
Riley,
best
Riley.
He gets around there, Jeremy.
He actually, Zach just slipped in a question and like he does.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, is there anyone in Baywatch that can't actually swim? Need stunt doubles?
Nope.
Oh, I think I've hit a nerve.
They trained them all before. I mean, they showed you how to swim before I got it. They had to make sure I knew how to swim. Right.
Okay, well, nice to meet you.
Jeremy,
It's been Hobie from Baywatch. It's been Good
guy.
See what Gary's up to.
Chris, that fishing thing.
Come on.
Big. Lumpy. Enormous.
Squishy.
Huge. The big breakfast.
Would you like some of that? 7:37. This is what I'm up to, Chris. I'm sitting here and I'm going to go through some phone calls. We've asked you